Matic does not care right now about the bearish sentiment in the market. You can see Polygon MATIC has exploded 16.67% today. You might be asking yourself, why did this happen, and is it going to be a continued pump to the upside? Because it clearly does not care about the bearish sentiment in the market. Polygon is now ranked 12 in the entire ecosystem with a $7.12 billion market cap, which is pretty impressive. I mean, looking just a day ago, we were trading at $0.75 and we're all the way up to $0.9 now. So are we going to hit that golden $1 price level? Not too sure, but here are some things I want you to take note of along the way in case you're looking to get into Polygon soon. So Polygon MATIC, why are we getting so much hype and euphoria? Well, we had the Disney Accelerator program. As you can see here, Disney partnered with some Web3 projects and they did choose Polygon to be one of them, which is of course massive, massive news. We can also see One Planet. 48 projects are landing on Ox Polygon with One Planet. So lots of dApps are being built on the, the Polygon ecosystem still, which is really, really good. So lots of partners and collabs and more sponsors and more network usage, really. So what's going on with the price? Things are crazy right now. Well, I think it's a lot to do with the social media marketing, what they're doing. Of course, the Disney Accelerator program. We've seen a lot of volume come through for Polygon. So we got here, Polygon to put 5 days to go. And there's a little snippet, a little countdown timer until the next chapter for Polygon. So everyone is wondering what it could actually be, and this is quite a smart move, to be honest. Then we have another tweet here. Our dream when we started Ox Polygon was to become the go-to Web3 platform, one that would constantly push the frontiers of innovation and adoption until we bring the world to Ethereum. In 4 days, a new chapter will start. Polygon is reaching where we wanted to be. And then we have another teaser right here. Guess what? 3 days to go. So they're just slowly dropping in the bait. They're reeling people in. They're getting people onto the the fishing hook, as you know. So it's working well, and it's very clever marketing. We also had this other tweet here from July 13. EVM, equivalent solution for frictionless experience for devs and users. Coming soon, highly performant ZK proofs, Ethereum security. It just gets better and better and better. So we're going to have a look at a quick analysis video. I don't want to take too long. I appreciate everyone is so busy trying to catch up with the cost of living and actually do some work and just enjoy life. So let's make this a slightly shorter video on this occasion. So what I want to show you is, we never broke this key level of support at 0.3, which is really good. Polygon MATIC respected this level quite nicely. I'm talking about this consolidation range. And we had actually a rising wedge pattern, this particular pattern here. And we were talking about it on this channel just a few days ago. And why it's significant is because we did break out to the upside. We didn't quite hit that technical target, but we did a pretty good job. We came up to 0.9, technical target was 0.94. And I suppose whilst everyone is getting bullish, I do want to remind you that it's not always good to chase these green candles. We are in a bear market, which does mean we see rejection on resistance levels. We are still in a huge downtrend, right? Every time we get a pump, like we saw over here, it just continued with continuation to the downside. Same with this particular impulse here. We swing high, we swing low, swing high, swing low. We're getting another swing high. You'd probably imagine a swing low is on the way. What I wanted to show you, though, more importantly, is every single time Polygon MATIC is overbought on the RSI, on the daily time frame, like we are right now. I'm going to jot them all in. We've got over here. We've also got another phase over here. There's a few more. We were overbought here. Now, every time we are getting overbought, technically we are seeing a drop in the price, usually. Of course, we're in a bull market here, so the macro trend was up. But you can see right on this particular occasion, we dropped. Right on this occasion, we dropped. On this occasion, we didn't drop immediately, but we did soon after drop. So it's a bit bearish that I'm saying this. But I am just looking at, we are overheated on this RSI. We're sitting at 77 at the moment. Doesn't mean we will go down, but I'm just looking out for it. So 20-day moving average also overextended. So we'd want ideally to wait for this to catch up to the price, which means trading sideways for a while, kind of like this. That way the price can then, meet the actual 20-day moving average, because of course it's a lagging indicator. So I'd be looking out for that as well. What else can we quickly check out? The Bollinger Bands, again, we're overextended. So it does mean we're a bit too much happened too soon. We're overextended, we're pumped, too much positive price momentum in a short time frame. 4-hour time frame, what's going on? Let's check out the relative strength index. Well, at the moment we are still overbought, of course, but we do not see any bearish divergence, which is a good thing. We are putting through that first red candle on the 4-hour time frame, and it doesn't really surprise me too much. If we take the swing low to swing high, you can see we've not even put through a minor correction yet. So if we did come down to 0.82 or 0.76, I would not be worried, to be honest with you, because the target is that we are going to come up to about $1, and the reason is because this is a huge level of support and resistance that we had floating through the peak of the bull market. You can see over here, September 21 resistance, and then of course here lots of resistance here, which we lost a support level. So I do expect us to challenge the $1 level for Polygon MATIC quite soon. I hope you guys can agree with me. Now, I'm not a pretty girl of blonde hair and blue eyes, but if you are new to the channel, do subscribe, guys. I will be sticking around through the bear market. Let's climb to 4,000 subscribers this week. I would love to see this happen, and yeah, keep an eye on this price action. We are overbought. Try not to FOMO in, because really when you should have been buying Polygon MATIC was of course back in June at 0.32 cents, so that was the perfect time to buy. Anyhow guys, quick update on what's going on. Fear and greed, we're sitting at 20. We're bouncing out slowly of the extreme fear, but we're still very much in extreme fear. Rainbow chart still reflects that it's a great time to grab crypto today. If you're in for the long-term hodl, do make sure you use my link in the description down below if you want to grab some cryptocurrency today. Best exchange, best rates, and also the safest place to do so. And also the pre-sale of Battle Infinity that I've been talking about, I'm invested in $500. If you want to check that out in the comments as well, they've already sold $300,000 worth in just a week, so pretty sure they're going to sell out at least very, very soon. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Stay crypto safe. See you soon, guys.